Today we are going to the Sunny Pint Tap Room and Eatery, located in Freedom Plaza, just down the street from Brownwood. Let's go look inside. For those of you who are new to our little episodes, my name is Sue.
And I'm Deb. How y'all doing, sugar?
They have a wonderful little menu right here with prices you can see on the side. There is a wall full of taps for beer. Not sure how many there are, but it is a bunch. Deb said she is going to try the Sweet Baby Jesus.
That's right, sweetie. I'm having the Sweet Baby Jesus.
They have a large beer list and even have some wines for those like me who don't like beer.
Oh, hallelujah. They got them there some beer flights.
The food looks very good.
I got the caprese panini.
I got the small charcuterie plate. I think I got that right. Oh, goodness me.
The Sunny Pint has plenty of inside seating. They also have a small porch area to sit at if you prefer the great Florida weather.
Oh, yes, honey. I love the Florida sun just washing all over my body.
Thank you for joining us today at the Sunny Pint. I really enjoyed my food. How about you, Deb?
I thought mine was absolutely delightful.
That about does it then. I say this eatery is all forked up.